Hi, my name is Colleen Bishop. I am the Director of Specialty Care Services here at Quincy Medical Group, and I'm going to show you a couple more masks using coffee filters. This is the kind I use at home. So they're actually a thinner than your industrial type coffee filters. So you want to use about 3 layers. We're going to flatten it out, and we're going to start to create our crease lines, which are our guidelines for folding on the future steps. So fold it in half. And then fold it in half again. I like using a straight edge. This is actually an ice scraper to get crisper lines. I'm going to open it up, and I'm going to fold in my one side about 1 inch from the center. And then the other one 1 inch from the center. And what you just created is the top and the bottom of your mask. We're going to fold it in half to create another crease line. And straight edge it. And we're going to open it up. What we're going to do next is we're going to fold this up a little bit on all 4 sides using this one crease line that we just created. That way it's uniform. We're going to apply a piece of tape. Rotate, again using your little crease line as your guide of where to stop. And then one more. And then we're going to fold it in half. We're going to apply a piece of tape. And this is just for reinforcement for your the hole that you're going to punch. And you can put it on either side. I'm just putting it on the inside. You could put it on the outside if you like. And then we're going to punch a hole using that line, that crease line, as our guide of where to put it center. And there you have, we got one more. We have the sides here. This is your nose and your chin crease. Just pin that up, and you can adjust that for your own face. Darts, 2 rubber bands or elastics, feed it through.